Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what to do if your Hard Rock Bait account is suspended and how you can try to fix it using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bait app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on Login at the top of your screen. Now enter your email and password. If your account is suspended, you will usually see a message explaining that your account is temporarily restricted. The next step is to understand why your account was suspended. Common reasons may include verification issue, unusual activity, or using incorrect personal information. Now look for an option that says contact support or need help. Tap on it. Now choose type chat or email depending on what's available. When you contact support, clearly explain that your account is suspended and you want help getting it. Be ready to provide your full name, email address, and any documents they request, such as ID verification. If your account was suspended due to missing or incorrect verification, uploading the correct documents usually fix the issue. If it was suspended because of a temporary limit or review, you may just need to wait for support to complete their check. After submitting your request, wait for a response. In most cases, Hard Rock Bait support replies within a few hours or a couple of days. Once approved, you will receive a message confirming that your account has been restored and you can log back in and continue using the app. And that's it. Those are the steps to take if your Hard Rock Bait account is suspended and how to fix it using our phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.